Today, let me show you the way that you download albums and playlists on Deezer. If you want to listen to songs even when you are offline or when you do not have internet connection, in today's video, let me show you the process that you can download them. If this video sounds helpful to you, make sure you stick till the end and let's get straight into it. Now, the way that you download albums or playlists is you just open up a particular album that you're trying to download, and right here you'll see the option called download, which is this downwards arrow. If you just hit that arrow, you can see the songs now have started to download and will have a green arrow on the particular song. As soon as you tap on the download button, all of the songs in this particular album will start to download on your phone. Similarly, you can also do that for any playlist that you might have. Open up a playlist that you want to download and you can tap on this download arrow. This way you can download any album or playlist that you have inside of Deezer. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for this video. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.